Hey guys, how are you? So I want to show you how to promote your book with free discounts.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
It's very easy. First of all, you go to your Kindle homepage. So it's kdp.amazon.com. As you see that I'm doing, you sign in, and then this is the first thing that appears is your bookshelf, and you can choose from your books. And then what happens is you click on any of the books that you want to promote. Let's say I want to promote this book, my marketing plan book. Click on the manage benefits. When you do that, you're presented with a choice. There are two kinds of things you can do. You can do a countdown deal or a free book promotion. In this video, we're talking about the free book promotion. So you do the free book promotion. You say, okay, create a new free book promotion, and then it gives you dates. You can do this for 5 days, every 90 days, right? And sometimes I do it all 5 days in a row. Sometimes I don't. Let me show you kind of what I did um, in my most recent free promotion, and I'll show you what I did. So these were the results. I promoted it for 1.5 days. So as you can see, these are the free. So I had no free downloads because I wasn't offering the book for free any of those days. Then the day that I offered the book for free, I got 185 downloads, which is not bad, but not the best launch by it wasn't launched, but it wasn't the best promotion by any means, but it wasn't too shabby either. And I'll explain in a second how I got those 185 sales. And at this point, when I woke up the next morning, when I woke up on this day, I looked at my Kindle book and on Amazon, and I should have taken a screenshot, but I didn't, and I regret it now. But I was, surprisingly enough, number one in three categories, like starting a business, small business and nonprofit, and something for like young adults, so working for Kindles, right? And that is just from this 1 day promotion, which was pretty amazing. So what I did was, and this is a trick that a lot of kind of savvy Kindle marketers use. What I did was, in the morning of this November 4th, you see how it's like a big drop to just 41 downloads, because in the morning of that day, I actually switched out. I opted out of the free promotion, so I made the book pay. And the reason for doing that is, if you've already achieved the rankings that you want, which to my surprise it only took 1 day. Like I was on top of the different categories that I was targeting. If you already achieved what you wanted, so you can make your book paid, you can switch it back to paid, and what that does is, for the remainder of that day, you'll still be visible in the free categories where you're ranking number one, and you're getting a lot of exposure, but your book will be paid. So a lot of people will see your book, many more people than normally would. So many more people would see your book than they normally would, but it would be no longer a free promotion. It would be a paid regular priced book. See that? So it's a little bit of a trick that is just for that 1 day, and it can be really good because, as you know, the more downloads you have, the better. But the free downloads are not as valuable; that they don't have as much weight as the paid downloads. So this is also a good way to boost your paid downloads by doing that 1 day trick. But let me show you how um, or at least I'll explain to you how I achieved. I got to those 185 downloads, right? It isn't that easy because this book wasn't my marketing book promotion. This was my like fundraising book, and it's a little bit of a niche topic. So 185 downloads for that book isn't an easy thing. And what I did was, as soon as I posted that book, as soon as that morning when I woke up, which was the first day when the book was free, what I did was, I right away, of course, I did the basic things, like I emailed my email list, I did basic social media outreach and things like that, and those got some downloads, but what really um, helped me get the spike, and what's easy for you to do as well, is what I did was I went to a bunch of online coupon sites, and I posted my free coupon, right? Because it's a free deal. I'm giving away something for free. And let me tell you about the sites that I posted. I posted on, and I'll have the links to those sites after the video. But just to quickly recap, it's I went to growthcoupon.com, blackhatforum.com, warriorforum.com. Warrior Forum, be careful because it's a paid thing, so maybe avoid that because it's paid. Reddit has a coupons section, slickdeals.net, fatwallet.com, totallyfreestuff.com, and retailmenot.com, couponlayer.com, edudealer.com, um, uh, findecoupons.com. Although actually find ecoupons, I think that's only for that's not for books. So maybe scratch that one. And then so you can see there's a lot of coupon sites. And then what I also did was I googled for um, Facebook groups where all they do is give away free Kindle books, and it's like incredibly easy to find because I just basically did a Google search, and I found a ton of groups, and basically I just emailed the moderators and said, "Hey, can you please, post my book? It's free," and that was pretty easy. And what really happened was all these coupon sites, what they did was they gave me this really rapid spike because I posted my coupons like all within like an hour or 2 hour window, right? And I got this really nice spike, like as you can see, like throughout the day, like around by the 50th download, like I was all my coupons were already posted, and like the whole day kind of went smoothly. Um, and then the downloads just came naturally because I was on top of the categories. So I didn't need to really promote it anymore. And that's why I thought like, I can't push the book anymore extra. I've already achieved this downloads, and I have like a few more free days within the 90 period window available. So I'll save those, and then I switch the book to paid again. And so you see the book is paid again. So I'm actually surprised to see that somebody got one free download here. I didn't even know that because I didn't know that was possible because I stopped the promotion here. Anyway, I guess that was maybe some glitch for some person. Uh, but you see how that works, and um, think also about anyone who has audience that your book is targeting. So you can always reach out to them and say, "Hey, I have a free book for your group. You can give it away because you can give away free value, right?" And usually people are responsive to it, and I know that this works because a lot of people contact me when they have like very recently somebody was publishing a Facebook book, and I have some resources on Facebook, and they were like, "Well, can you email it to your Facebook list?" And I said, "Sure, no problem." Um, and so a lot of people do this, and for me it was like pure benefit, right? Because I was able to give something for free to my followers, which people appreciated. So um, it was just so that's another thing you can do in addition to posting on Facebook groups and in addition to posting on the coupon sites, because these are all things like that are very simple to do, and there are no gatekeepers, like almost, right? So you can really do it on your own. So that's it, and that's pretty much how I used the free deals to shoot up to number one in the categories that I targeted, and then of course, once the free deals stopped, the my category rankings naturally dropped a bit, but my search rankings they stayed up. They stayed up. I maybe should have done it for many more days, like for the remainder of the 5 days, because I didn't become number one, but I certainly shot up in the rankings of what my book was ranking for in Amazon, like fundraising ideas, fundraising strategies. Like after this one day, like a few days later, I was ranking for a few spots higher in every search that I'm targeting, which was a very nice result after just a 1 day promotion. So try this, and I hope it's helpful.